Hey, hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Manya and Mommy. So in this video we are gonna see how Manya is creating a scene for Holi festival, drawing it from scratch and using different colors to make it colorful. The main highlight of the video is the splat painting technique, or it is also known as the splash paint art, and how it is used to make the drawing more beautiful. But before watching the video, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel.
Can't do the Holi.
So we need sketch colors, brushes, cotton, spoon, watercolor and this color plate. We need all these things for making the drawing for Holi. Just take a blank drawing sheet, make an oval in the middle of the page. Draw two slanting lines from both the ends of the oval and join those two slanting lines with a sleeping line. Make the handle of the bucket by drawing a curved line. Make small rectangles at the bottom of the page to draw color plates. Our color plates are done. Now draw a curved pattern over the color plates to give the effect of colors. Now draw water guns on both the sides above the bucket. This follow Manya, you will be able to draw the water guns very easily. Draw small droplets. Now draw some pattern in the water guns to make it or give it a real look. Now the water guns are looking so real. Now the drawing is complete and see how beautiful it was looking. Now fill the color plates with watercolor. You can use different colors to fill the color plates. So this is a simple watercoloring. This way fill the watercolors in all the color plates and bucket as well. Now to make the drawing more beautiful, we are going to use the splat paint technique. For that, we are going to take a small piece of cotton and dip it in really watery color. The watercolor should be really watery so that it can absorb the cotton can absorb the color. We will place the piece of the cotton on the paper and tap it hard with the back of the spoon. See how the splash has come out? Now we'll do it repeatedly to make our drawing more and more colorful. So you can do it with different colors and many more times, and just put the piece of the cotton dipped in watercolor and tap it, hit it with the back of the spoon, and here you can see how the color splashes are coming out. They are looking very, very beautiful, really very beautiful. Now we'll color the water guns. Here Manya is coloring the water guns with the sketch colors. This way you can make your drawing more colorful by creating splash of so many different colors. I hope you all like the video and you are going to try this at your home as well. So please like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you. And now the drawing is complete.